Hi ladies, so I am geeking out about a new feature on our Gale databases. We have several Gale databases. You might be familiar with the ones called Opposing Viewpoints and Global Issues in Context. Those two would be really great choices for SRP students this year. We also have a more general database that acts a little bit like JSTOR called Academic OneFile, and we have Science in Context. I'm going to use that one as an example just for the benefit of our SciSearch students, but all of the Gale products work the same way. They have a new integration with Google. So if you go up here to the Google sign-in icon, you can, and there are all my many accounts, you can sign in to the database using your Google account, which will then allow you to save material to that account. So let's go to a topic in the science database and I'll show you how it works. So you can choose pretty much anything. Here I'm going to go to air pollution, and like all the Gale databases, you see that the resources are organized by type. So I'll just go to a reference article right here. So let's say that you are reading this article. You can highlight and annotate this as you are reading, just like you can in Digo or Questia. So I'm going to highlight this green and add a note to it. Blah, blah, blah. Why do I want to spell that correctly? I don't know. And save it. And as I continue to do my work, this will save everything that I have done, right? So then what I want to do after I've finished working on the article so that all my highlights get saved is I can download that to my Google Drive. Sorry about that. And then when I go into my Google Drive, I can see that Gale has created a folder for me for the Science in Context database. And there is the article that I was just reading, and there are the highlights that I made, which is pretty cool. I can also save the citation only. Not sure why you would want to do this, but I suppose just to keep track of citations if you needed to. You'll notice here you can save to Google Drive, and then you'll have that stored for you. And you can also, if you have been working on a number of things, just go over here to highlights and notes, and there are all of the items, the title, the notes you made, and the text you highlighted. And if you want, you can download that to Google Drive. So when you're in your Google Drive, you then have a couple of things. A citation in a separate document, right, if you wanted that for whatever reason. But these are, for all intents and purposes, just your notes. The title of the article, the notes you took, and the text. And if you had been taking notes on multiple articles, they would all show up in this download. You can also go back to that main page on air pollution, and let's say you wanted to save multiple articles. Over here you can say save this, save this, save this, and save this. And then when you go up here, you'll see that there are a number of things in your folder that you have saved for later that you want to read. So the Google integration is pretty amazing. I think that as you build your source lists for SRP, JRP, whatever it is you're doing, you're going to find this to be kind of a dream come true. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck using it, and happy note-taking.